You've felt it, haven't you? That little flutter in your chest, that subtle unease that seems to come out of nowhere. Or maybe it's those sudden, powerful waves of emotion that you can't quite explain. And the dreams have been getting stranger, more vivid, more real. It's so easy to just brush it all off, right? To call it stress, or maybe you're just tired, overworked. But what if it's something more? What if your body isn't just reacting to your daily life, but to something much, much bigger? The very pulse of the planet itself? In our last episode, we delved into the science behind the Earth's frequency, the Schumann resonance, and how it's been steadily rising. But this incredible shift isn't just happening out there in the atmosphere. It's happening inside you, right now. Because you are not separate from this planet. Think about it. You are a living, breathing part of her. You are an extension of her vast nervous system, a living, walking antenna perfectly tuned to her electromagnetic field. And as her core vibration accelerates, your own energy, your mind, your emotions, even your DNA, begins to awaken in response. Now, this might sound like something out of science fiction, but science is actually beginning to catch up to this ancient idea. We now know that our cells communicate with each other using tiny electromagnetic signals. Our hearts, the very center of our being, generate a powerful, measurable energy field that extends several feet out from our bodies. And get this, our brainwaves, the electrical patterns of our thoughts, naturally synchronize with Earth's resonant frequency. So, when that planetary frequency shifts, it sends out a silent, undeniable invitation for us to evolve right along with it. This is exactly why so many of us are feeling it. That restlessness you can't shake. That faint ringing in your ears that comes and goes. Those sudden floods of empathy for a stranger, or waves of sadness that have no logical trigger. You're not losing it. You're not going crazy. You are tuning in. Your system is receiving a new broadcast. Imagine our bodies are like finely crafted musical instruments, say, a guitar. For millennia, we've been tuned to a specific note, the Earth's steady hum. Now, the Earth is raising her pitch. To stay in harmony, the strings of our being, our physical, mental, and emotional bodies, must tighten to match her new tone. And yes, that process of retuning can feel uncomfortable. It can feel tense. But here's the beautiful part. That discomfort doesn't mean you're disconnected. Quite the opposite. It means you're growing. It's the tangible proof that your personal frequency is catching up to hers. Neuroscientists have long known that our brains produce different electrical oscillations, brainwaves like alpha, theta, and gamma, and each one is linked to a different state of awareness, from deep meditation to high-level focus. Now, let's use another analogy. Picture your consciousness as a sophisticated radio. For your entire life, you've been listening to a favorite station. But now, the Earth, the broadcaster, is changing the station. What happens? You start hearing static. You get bits and pieces of the old and the new. That static is the confusion, the anxiety, the fatigue, the emotional roller coaster you might be on. And the process of carefully turning the dial to find the new, clear signal. That is the awakening. This isn't a new concept. In fact, ancient wisdom traditions from all over the world spoke of this exact moment in time. They foretold a great shift for humanity, a transition from living purely in the mind to living from the heart, a move from density and separation to unity and light. And today, modern science is providing the data to back it up. Groundbreaking studies are showing that the heart's electromagnetic field is up to 5,000 times stronger than the brain's. Let that sink in for a moment. 5,000 times stronger. When you learn to operate from a state of love, compassion, and gratitude, your vibration literally radiates coherence. You create a harmonic field that calms the chaos not only within yourself, but in the environment around you. This is precisely why so many people are experiencing emotional healing at what feels like warp speed right now. Old traumas, buried memories, and limiting beliefs are bubbling up to the surface. Hidden patterns in our relationships and behaviors are becoming glaringly obvious and are starting to break apart. It can feel messy and overwhelming, but please know, this is not a punishment. It is a purification. Your soul, your higher self, is clearing out the dense, heavy energy it's been carrying so that it can hold more light, a higher frequency, and it gets even deeper. As strange as this might sound, even your DNA, the very blueprint of your physical self, responds to frequency. This isn't just a mystical metaphor. Experiments in the field of biophysics have demonstrated that specific electromagnetic waves and even focused intention can influence genetic expression. They can literally turn certain genetic codes on or off. So when you hear people talking about DNA activation, they are describing a very real biological resonance. It's the tuning of the human instrument to begin playing in higher, more complex octaves of consciousness. As you go through this process, you may start to notice new sensitivities developing. Your intuition might become sharper, giving you little nudges and gut feelings that are always spot on. Your dreams might become more lucid and filled with symbolic messages. You might have moments of telepathic connection with a loved one, knowing what they're going to say before they say it. You might even have the distinct feeling that time itself is speeding up or becoming more fluid. These aren't just quirks. These are powerful signs that you are entering into resonance with a new energetic field. You are aligning with the next harmonic of human consciousness. So, how do you navigate this incredible and at times intense shift? The answer is surprisingly simple. You don't need to fight it. You don't need to resist it. You only need to learn to listen. Listen to your body. Listen to your heart. The most powerful tools for attunement are already available to you. Breathe deeply, consciously, allowing your breath to anchor you in the present moment. Ground your body by connecting with nature. Walk barefoot on the grass, touch a tree, sit by the ocean. Drink plenty of clean, pure water. Water is Earth's great conductor of energy. Eat living, vibrant foods. They carry her life-giving frequency directly into your cells. Move your body gently, rest when you feel tired, and forgive yourself and others freely. Every single act of kindness you offer, every mindful breath you take, every moment of pure presence you can cultivate, is an act of attunement. It's a way of consciously tuning your instrument. Because this great awakening isn't about escaping the world or ascending to some other dimension. It's about becoming so profoundly present, so deeply and authentically aligned with your true self, that you can feel the pulse of the planet in your own heartbeat. You realize that her rhythm is your rhythm. This is not just some external event happening to us. It is an inner evolution unfolding through us. The harmonic shift is happening right here, right now, within you. You are an active participant in one of the most exciting transformations in human history. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey today. If this resonated with you, I'd be so grateful if you'd like this video and subscribe to the channel for more explorations into this incredible shift we're all a part of. In the next chapter, we will discuss living in harmony, integrating the shift in daily life. Discover the daily practices that allow you to live in flow with the planet's awakening energy and become a conscious participant in the next chapter of human evolution. For millennia, humanity has looked to the heavens, searching for a paradise among the stars. But what if we've been looking in the wrong direction? What if paradise wasn't somewhere out there, but right here, in the harmony between you and the living earth beneath your feet? The great harmonic shift we've talked about isn't a distant event. It's happening right now. The real question is no longer if it's coming, but how do we live in tune with it? In our past conversations, we've dived deep into how Earth's own frequency is rising. We've explored the incredible idea that the universe itself behaves like a grand symphony of vibration, and how this cosmic shift is awakening the human body and mind in profound ways. But knowing the notes of the music is only half the journey. To truly live in harmony, we must become the music. So where do we begin? We start where all resonance begins, the heart. Science has a name for this state: coherence. It's that beautiful, aligned state where your heartbeat, your breath, and your emotions move in perfect rhythm. When you enter this state, your personal electromagnetic field becomes smooth, powerful, and perfectly aligned with the Earth's own frequency. And let me be clear, this isn't just about feeling good. This is physics. When you genuinely feel love, gratitude, or compassion, You are literally broadcasting a signal of harmony into the planet's energy field. Think about that for a second. Every single time you choose kindness over judgment, every time you choose to be present instead of distracted, every time you choose forgiveness over resentment, you are actively participating in planetary healing. You are tuning the collective frequency. That is how real and tangible this shift is. Living in harmony starts with simple awareness. Every moment of your day presents a choice of frequency. The food you decide to eat, the thoughts you choose to entertain, the emotions you feed, they all carry a specific vibration. And just like a magnet, you naturally draw to yourself whatever matches your inner tone. So, the question I want you to ask yourself is, what song are you playing today? Now, to anchor this higher vibration into your daily life, you don't need complex rituals or esoteric practices. You just need presence. When you breathe consciously, feeling the air fill your lungs. When you walk barefoot on the ground, feeling the earth's pulse. When you drink pure water or simply listen to someone without judgment, you are harmonizing with the planet. These small, mindful acts are a form of sacred technology available to all of us right now. Let's explore a few simple, powerful practices of resonance you can start today. First, heart alignment. When you wake up, before you do anything else, just place your hand over your chest. Breathe slowly and deeply. Feel a sense of gratitude for simply being alive. This simple act sets your vibrational tone for the entire day. Second is energy hygiene. Just as you bathe your body every day, you need to clear your energy. Spend a few minutes in nature, take deep, cleansing breaths, and consciously release any emotional clutter you might be carrying. Imagine it dissolving away. Third, conscious consumption. Choose food that is alive and vibrant. Fresh fruits, leafy greens, pure water. These things carry the crystalline frequency of the planet itself. You are literally consuming light and information. Fourth is stillness and silence. In meditation, even for just 5 minutes, you quiet the noise of the mind and you meet the frequency of Source, the universal consciousness. This is how the tuning happens, from the inside out. And finally, perhaps the most powerful practice of all, forgiveness. Forgiveness is the ultimate frequency reset. It dissolves karmic tension and opens the heart's resonance like nothing else. When you truly forgive, you stop vibrating at the frequency of pain, and you begin vibrating at the frequency of peace. And that shift doesn't just heal you, it ripples out across the entire collective field. Because in truth, there is no you and them. There is only one unified field, one grand song, one consciousness expressing itself through billions of different instruments. We are all connected. This is the very essence of the new earth we are co-creating. It's a civilization built not on domination and control, but on resonance and cooperation, where technology, science, and spirit finally dance together in harmony. It all begins with your simple awareness. It expands through your compassion, and it manifests through your love in action. You are not just a bystander in this incredible evolution. You are a conductor. Every thought you think, every breath you take, every beat of your heart is a note in the new symphony our Earth is composing. And as more and more of us align with this frequency, the melody of a higher world becomes audible. A planet vibrating in unity, peace, and love. The harmonic shift isn't about escaping the old world or leaving it behind. It's about bringing light into it, through you. So, live gently, love deeply, and listen closely. Because beneath all the noise of modern life, the beautiful music of creation is still playing, and it's inviting you to join the dance. Thank you for walking this journey with me today. If this message touched your heart, please help it ripple outward. Like, comment, and share this video, and subscribe to the channel to help spread this resonance to others who are awakening right now. Together, we are becoming the new vibration of Earth.